Welcome to Groupe Renault Electric Evening. We are living in an ever-changing and ever-expanding world. Worldwide population is increasing. Cities are expanding. By 2050, the experts say there will be almost 10 billion humans, and two-thirds will live in cities, up from 50% today. Mobility is expanding. The number of new cars sold will cross the 100 million units a year very soon. Mobility is shifting. We're seeing new kinds of shared mobility services. People want to drive. People want to be driven. Many options, a lot of flexibilities, a lot of choice. We, as Groupe Renault, embrace these changes and have built our business on the ability to offer modern, sustainable, and affordable mobility solutions for all. The future of mobility is electric. We've seen it coming. We have been investing in electric mobility for almost 10 years now. We were pioneers yesterday. We are leaders today. We are the only manufacturer to offer a range of products with 5 pure electric models, and the only one so far to see profit coming out of it. In Europe, 1 in 3 electric vehicles on the roads is a Renault. So far, we've sold 170,000 electric vehicles, 600,000 altogether with the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance. The future of mobility is electric, and China is leading the way. The country is the faster adopter of EVs worldwide. In 2017 alone, over 470,000 pure electric vehicles were sold, 80% more than the year before. This creates great opportunity to bring our expertise to a market that is preparing for 100% electric vehicles. It also creates the opportunity to take our EV expertise outside Europe and bring sustainable, affordable mobility for all, everywhere. Together with our alliance partner Nissan and our Chinese partner Dongfeng, we have created a dedicated joint venture, EGT, to develop innovative, affordable electric vehicles. Our work together delivered. Tonight, we are very proud to introduce to you our very first A-segment 100% electric vehicle, K-ZE. K-ZE combines the best of Groupe Renault, our leadership in EV, our expertise in affordable vehicles, and the alliance engineering and manufacturing large global footprint. It will first be launched in China before going global. Let's talk about our show car K-ZE, which prefigures the model that we will launch in China. K-ZE is affordable, SUV-inspired, urban, and fully electric. It features a seductive, sporty design with assertive lines and a muscular, compact footprint. Beyond its looks, with 250-kilometer NEDC range, it offers one of the best autonomy in its segment. It will be fun to drive, easy to charge. For a practical, everyday city use, K-ZE can charge both plugged to DC, quick charge available on Chinese streets, and to a wall box at home. Like every global access car made by Groupe Renault, K-ZE is affordable while delivering great value for money. The show car was co-developed between our engineering teams here in France and our Chinese teams from our joint venture with Dongfeng. It will be manufactured locally in Xi'an on our A platform. It will come with a host of equipment maximizing the experience of driving an electric car. For a competitive, affordable price, the vehicle will feature air conditioning, rear parking sensors, rear view camera, 4 power windows, a central screen with connected navigation and services. Also, like every global access car developed by Groupe Renault, it is affordable while being robust and reliable. Every feature of the car will be conceived in alignment with Chinese customers' preferences. Quality-wise, every aspect will strictly follow our international standards in terms of engineering and manufacturing. K-ZE features airbags for driver and front passengers and automatic braking system. It has high standards of safety with its reinforced vehicle frame, seat frames, automatic headlight activation. In China, we will launch 9 new passenger vehicles, 3 of which will be 100% electric. K-ZE is the first of its kind. In total, as you know, we're forecast to sell 550,000 cars per year in the country by the end of our midterm plan, which means in 2022. In addition to this new A-segment pure EV model, we are pushing our electric range further by giving our customers the possibility to go electric without changing their habits. Tonight, we announced that Groupe Renault will be offering HEV and PHEV plug-in hybrid on 3 of its already successful models through a brand new in-house technology called E-Tech. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions of Clio, Megane and Captur will be available in Europe starting in 2020. Developing e-mobility for all is part of Groupe Renault core values. We also develop shared, autonomous, connected mobility for all. We've shown what our vision is for groups of passengers sharing a robo-vehicle that was EasyGo revealed during the Geneva Motor Show. We've shown our vision for transporting goods in last-mile delivery that was EasyPro in Hanover Motor Show last month. At the Paris Motor Show, you'll see a robo-limousine concept. These 3 robo-vehicles are only one part of our vision. We believe the future of mobility is about the customer experience on board. This is our next revolution. Time on board will be spent traveling and more. Let's have a look.
A new revolution is underway. Your car will not just be autonomous, it will connect you to your entire world. Time spent traveling will never go away, but your experience will take you further than you physically go. Every journey enriched by quality content.
Good morning. 3 articles are waiting for you.
How are the news, please?
Challenge magazine article.
Greece's debt has been paid off. Athens has left the European...
A circle of knowledge fueling your mind. Personalized information, ready to explore and share.
Researchers in Manchester have created a function.
Share this content on Twitter.
As a leader in a fast-changing industry, by partnering with content publishers, Renault is shaping the future of mobility.
You've reached your destination. Would you like to continue on your device?
Yes, please.
Hello everyone. Welcome on board. I have selected 3 recent articles for you. Ready to start?
Yes.
Challenge magazine article.
Following in the footsteps of Paul Bocuse and in a constant neck-and-neck race with Alain Ducasse, Joël Robuchon invented a recipe for success as a world-leading chef. Less glitz and glamour, and a greater focus on product, concept, and lightness.
Read the article.
Historia magazine article.
Let's start by debunking a common myth. The French Revolution did not create the restaurant. It was in the 1730s, in Paris, which was a hive of culinary activity at the time, that scholars and...
Save this content for later.
Sure, consider it done. See you next time.
At Renault, what drives us is making life easy for customers. We think of mobility as being part of our customers' lives. Here in France, our brands are icons. 5 generations of people have celebrated special moments, explored the world, or circled their neighborhood in 4 chevaux, 4L, Renault 5, Clios, Twingos. At Renault, time on board is life on board. Time spent traveling is always an experience, whether waiting in traffic or in front of your children's school, discovering a scenic road, enjoying being on your own, or sharing moments with your family. This onboard experience is changing as cars are becoming an interactive, high-tech, personalized space. In our electric connected autonomous concept cars, Trésor and Symbiose, you can choose to drive or be driven. You can connect to your home, your phone, your data, and choose how you want to spend your time. Through the partnership with Google we've just announced, we will offer the most advanced connected car system to our customers starting in 2021. Today, we are exploring how to offer even more options. As some of you know, late last year, we took a 40% investment stake in French publishing company Challenge Group. Challenge Group is an expert in the making of quality, reliable content. Together, we experiment how to turn travel time into a learning experience. Because we expect car users will seek more sophisticated onboard experiences, we are innovating and imagining what could make life on board easier and richer. We will be taking you further than your destination. Augmented editorial experience imagines how to deliver a unique editorial service to car users. First, by offering high-quality, premium, exclusive content. Challenge Group comprises 5 magazines specialized in economy, sciences, and history. These original, rich, and reliable medias are meant for the general public, for students, and for scientists. During their traveling time, car users will access this unique and exclusive content specifically developed for Groupe Renault and unavailable elsewhere. Second, by using and interacting voice inside connected to the world outside. It is specifically designed to ease navigation through content while being in a car. Car users will be able to choose what they wish to hear or watch by vocal command. Depending on the time of the day, whether you are on your own or with your family and where you are traveling to, you will easily access exclusive business news, an article on the latest scientific discovery, or a story on your current surroundings. Third, by delivering this content through immersive onboard experiences. Vehicles are a unique, comfortable, intimate space to enjoy information and entertainment. Car users can be immersed in whichever media content they choose through wider screens and enhanced sound. These multimedia experiences will evolve even further with the introduction of autonomous drive vehicles. Fourth, by moving with car users on board and off board. The content will seamlessly transfer from the car screen to your phone or smartwatch screen. Tomorrow at the Paris Motor Show, through 4 scenarios in a life-size capsule, you will experiment what it is like to travel immersed in a media experience with content from the Challenge Group. At Groupe Renault, we explore what the future of mobility could look like. Thank you for your attention.